Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Also, welcome back to Teardown. And don't be scared, don't be disappointed. Or if you are a fan of Fireworks Mania is gonna come. Because there's a small Christmas mod that came out for this game. And I thought let's just mix it up with Teardown, because there's of course we have Christmas, so we're gonna do it all in the Christmas theme, this whole video. And I thought I really wanted to put Teardown in there, because Teardown is one of my, definitely some videos, and some other videos were not so good, some videos were pretty good, they were doing really well. Some of them were getting medium viral, so Teardown is really it's very popular, there we go, popular video on my channel. Oh, and the same with Teardown. So that's what's happening with my community right now. It's like there's people that liking the Teardown videos. Some people do like Fireworks Mania, and I'm just gonna continue to do so. So what I'm gonna do, what the mod is that there's a giant tank. Yeah, this is awesome. This is from the AFV or AVF tanks. So there's a lot of tanks here. It's pretty cool. But what we're gonna do? We're going to, of course, we're going to make it really pretty. We're going to make it so it's ready for Christmas. And there is a new mod somewhere. So many mods in here. That's the Christmas light gun. Ah, I have no idea how it works. I know that I need to press P. But nothing happens. Okay. Escape to configure. Oh, I see. Wait. Is it in here then? No. 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 It said... Oh, okay. Okay. So custom stuff here. Custom menu. Very cool. Okay, so candy cane, tricolor, yellow, saturated white, Garfield? Okay. And default. Let's do the tricolor. So I think that's I don't know what this means. Doesn't matter. Let's see how it works. Oh yeah. Oh! Oh, that's cool. Oh, why does it not stick? Why does it not stick? It definitely looks a lot better. Let's see how it works on the building. Oh, that's so cool. Oh no, okay. I thought I was just pressing the right mouse, but maybe that works. But oh yeah, there we go. Oh, let's do the whole tree. Oh yeah, Christmas tree. Wow, that's so cool. TP up or something. I don't know. Okay, that is very cool. Let's see if we can. Let's just change some color. Let's do the intensity. Let's put it. Oh, the one is the highest. Oh, I see. Yeah, I don't know what height means, so we're just gonna do 3. And let's do the Garfield. Whatever that is. I think this is orange, I guess. Oh, I see. So that's the height of the lights. How big the lights are. I don't know. Is it moving? No. Some of them are black. And so they're broken. That's so cool. Yeah, Christmas tree. So cool. Yeah, let's see if we can get this tank. Look nice. Oh, wait. Yeah, let's go. No, I don't want to use the gun. I want to drive it. Oh, look at that. Yeah. We are a Christmas tank. Wow. Let's put some Christmas music on it. Also, I'm just trying to fantasize that there's music. Whoa, that looks awesome. Okay, let's put some more lights on it. Make it look nicer. Yeah, there we go. No, I don't want to shoot it. Not yet. Whoa! There we go. Yeah, let's change the... Nice! Is it dead? Oh yeah, it's shooting yeah, it's making the explosion sounds. Okay. Yeah, I know that there was another extremely big tank. I was just playing with that when I was not recording. Okay, that was very anticlimactic. I thought it would explode. Normally it would explode. So I think it's this one. Is it this one? Oh my god. Look at that. Holy crap, that's big. Let's do Christmas lights. On this side. So festive. Alright. Let's go in. Oh my god. Oh wait. What the hell? Okay. So if it drives, it's gonna like destroy, it's gonna break. Or is it just oh, hear the sound. Let's see if we have more. Oh yeah, we do have kind of like 2,000. Let's just shoot it. Oh my god! You gotta love it. This is so much fun. Yeah, so the lights are like they're never gonna break. Oh, it would have been nice if they were. Oh yeah, they kind of like stick to stuff. Oh my god! Just destroying all this stuff here. Holy crap! That's awesome. Yeah, it kind of sticks now. Look at that. Wow, making it festive with a war machine. Alright. Oh, yes. So festive, right? Look at that. Holy crap, that thing is big. Nuclear strike? Right? Sure. Yeah, that's. Oh! That's like that. Explode? Oh, yes! We had an explosion. Oh, this lot of debris. So festive. This is just perfect. It would have been nice if they were. Oh, he's getting pulled. Oh, he's not liking it. I'm so sorry, dude. We're just in a very festive mood, so. I'm sorry. It kind of looks like he exploded with like the lights. Explode lights! Yeah. Is he still alive? Let's have a look. Get up. Oh, look at all these. Look at all the strings. All these cables on him. Yeah. Christmas lights. Okay. Yeah, so if you keep this thing, this gun in your hand and you're pressing, of course you need to press left mouse button to spawn it. But this is a German car. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. All right, here we go. So let's hack it. So it's gonna go after us. Okay, so he definitely has some problems. He's trying to get to us. But you can see he's pulling into the ground. Wow, yeah, that's definitely working. Yeah, that is definitely working. Wow, this. Yeah, wow. Those cables are really strong. Amazing. There we go. Just put it out of his misery. Okay. Oh. That is not fair. That is not fair. That is not fair. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so the Christmas lights do have some strength in them. It's not only for decoration, it's also for. Is this the most festive excavator you have ever seen? Is this great or what? Look at that. Oh, it broke! Wow, it's strong enough. Look at that. That's so much fun. Let's just drive in here. Happy New Year. Happy Christmas. Here are the lights you just ordered. So, there you go. The lights looks like the lights are definitely like also lighting up inside, so everyone is like getting happy and lights and stuff inside. Happy Christmas! Yeah, you can just hear these things breaking because they're just getting stretched a lot. Yeah! Well, here we go. Oh, look at that! What? Look at the colors! Colors are so much more nicer now. Wow. Okay. So festive. Yeah, alright. So we're gonna go to Fireworks Mania. We have a lot of work to do there. Because we need to find all secret presents. Nice! Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go to Fireworks Mania. Alright, we're in Fireworks Mania. And my D hard drive somehow screwed up again. But the recording is okay, so don't be afraid. Everything's gonna be okay. Before we're gonna start, okay, some mods obviously got updated. Mountains. Okay, that's the Christmas add-on. I haven't added, of course, to the game yet. It can be a little laggy. There's just a lot going on. Let's just subscribe. There's a lot of like moving lights and all of this stuff. That is not. That's all from the mod. Of course, what you guys see here, the lights are not moving, so that's all from Mania. He updated, of course, for the Christmas. So let's go into the town. Oh yeah, we need to load that. So I'm gonna cut that out. It's gonna take a while to load. Well, it'll take a while. I didn't like put pretty big maps in there for now, just to pressure down, you know, the loading time. But this is all like Mania's stuff. All the snowman, the Christmas trees, the lights. That's all Mania's work. But you guys will see what Gunako made. He already he wanted to. Me to cover his mod, but of course I was going to wait for the Christmas special. Of course, makes sense, right? Here we go. Almost there. Yeah, so what Gunako does is he makes add-ons. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I already found one gift. I just accidentally, by making the intro, I walked into this one. Excuse me. Can we throw that? Yeah, destroy everything. But this is just this is clearly the biggest thing in his mod. It's Super Drossel, MST, Mr. Mania. Oh, I love that picture. So cool. Mr. Panini. He made a lot of fun mods. That I don't know who that is. And then we have our lovely Gunako, of course, our cat lover. Such as me. Wow, that's very loud. It's very loud. Of course, we're standing. Okay. I made a fire show in this street. That will, of course, I will load that in later. We're gonna find all the presents. It's so loud music. Let's see if we can find all the presents. And of course, I'm not gonna record all the presents. Oh, you already found one. Oh, I want to find them all. I just want to see if there's a secret. Right. It's like I'm playing Sims right now. It's literally Sims, like Sims music. I don't know how well he like hit those. Oh, here we go. It's like all see that camouflaged. Who is that? This is just so much fun. I just love it, man. Such a cool idea. With all the people that are involved. Yeah, so you can see there's some kind of lag. Ah, Mr. Lemania. I want a slush and a hot dog, please. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Can I just get it myself, sir? He's just laughing, but okay. Let's just move on. It's getting creepy here. Okay, let's move on. Right, number 5. Here we go. Let's go. I hope he didn't hide him too well, so it's gonna be too hard. Okay, this is just cheeky. That is cheating. Luckily we have... Oh, we can jump on that. Yeah, that is not fair. I know that I did found one accidentally by making the intro. There's one not in here. Yeah, I just found this one accidentally. Here it is. What's that? Oh wait, warding. Subscribe to Mania on YouTube now. Like right now. Okay. Let's see. He's also like live streaming now and then. You know, making new mods, or not making new mods, making new updates for the game. Let's see. Is there one in here? Okay, so I found one. There's one on the roof there. That is so cool. I love how he puts the decorations. He used 2 of his mods. He already made a mod that's pretty old already. Oh, in the doghouse. Oh, wait. Oh, there we go. Alright, we got it. Yeah, 20. Yeah, that's one on the roof there. Oh, I see another one there. Let's go. Can I jump on this? No. Look at that. It's Santa's sleigh. Yo, some of them like disappear. Some of them do not. Alright. 11 more to go. Oh, here we go. In the cheeky doghouse. Or no, it's a treehouse. Number 10. Awesome. I did saw another one. Let's see if there's one in here. I knew it. I knew it. There are more of these like outhouses, but They weren't all filled. There's... Oh, I knew it. Yep. I knew it. Number 12. We're getting some progress here. In the car. Oh! Ah! Oh yeah, that was the one that fell down. Jesus! Why is it so loud? Okay, that door just flew out. Is there one in here? Leg. This is so dangerous just walking in this store. I mean, fireworks can just go off like that. Ah, Gunako, you made yourself... Oh wait! We're just really big in here. Oh! There's that guy again. He's just laughing there. It's getting awkward. Okay, let's see one here. Alright, 5 to go. Okay, this is just hilarious. They're like snowmans, just having a church, and at the reindeer is like preaching in here. Yeah, that's actually. Oh, there we go. That's actually hilarious. Come on, no way, tree. Nice, alright. 4 more to go. It's really getting like. What is that? That's a secret. Whew, that's an ease. Wow, we made it. Yeah, there we go. There we go. I knew it. I knew it. Can we like do something with it? No, this is so much. This is amazing. Details, I love it. Look at the tree. Look there. We can definitely see a lot here to see like where are the more. There's just three more. Oh my god, that was a hard find. Look at this. This was just in plain sight. I found them all. Whoa! Whoa, that is awesome! Where's Santa? Santa! Make a wish. Make a wish for Santa. You can make a wish. Santa Claus. It opened like it's a website. What the hell? Oh, okay. I'm trying to like put him away because the show is gonna be here. But wow. That's why they said. I thought, where's Santa? But that was the secret. Secret. Okay. Secret. Something like that. Okay, so we're gonna restart the map and we're gonna do the show for the ending. Okay, so the show is loading. It's a lot. It's not gonna take really long, but I timed it all perfectly. I just did it off camera. So it should be okay. Everything's now loading. Also, I turned off the Christmas mod for Gunako because the Christmas man, or Christmas really, Santa is like coming to the street again. You can see he will be in the way. So let's just start up. So we're gonna stay as close as possible so you guys can all hear the sound. Look at that. There's also a secret back there. You can see it's all perfectly timed. So I would say have fun. Happy New Year. Almost. It's almost Happy New Year. Wow, that was so great. I was so proud of this show. It worked out so well. Everything was timed really well. There weren't like really long silence, really long like pauses in there. So perfect. Yeah, amazing. Okay, we're gonna end it here. This was great, amazing. I'm happy that I could like put both games in there just to have a Christmas like theme there. This game makes it really easy that Mania made this. Also Gunako. Oh my god, like amazing. Yeah, so, the biggest surprise. I mean Santa coming down. It's amazing. You're so creative, Gunako. It's amazing. Pretty good. All the fireworks too, of course. Thank you for all the mods this year. MST. Supermania. Super Drozel. Gunako. Did Gunako make fireworks? I don't know actually. Panini, thank you for all the fireworks this year. Did I actually forget? Yeah, Mania. Thank you for making this game, by the way, and making this really nice snow. So yeah, I'm not gonna take it too long. I hope you guys have a very, very great Christmas. I hope you guys are going to enjoy Christmas, family, everyone, whatever is gonna eat. Don't eat too much. Actually, eat as much as you can. Right? Just enjoy Christmas. Also enjoy New Year. Be careful with fireworks. I mean, this is a game, so it's all fake. So that can happen, but for real life, just be careful. I think I'm gonna take a small break until New Year. I will see. Mostly, I don't know. Mostly, I will have an idea and then I will execute it. So, you know. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I see you guys in the next video. Somewhere. So, enjoy the New Year. Enjoy Christmas. I see you guys there. Happy New Year. Happy Christmas. I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.